Hello guys. Okay, so today I'm very excited. It's 22nd of December and I want to show you something, okay? I want to share my strategy of e-commerce, how I made $14,000 130 in the last 2 to 3 weeks, okay? So now guys, I know many people do e-commerce and they do a lot of other stuff which maybe it's not what I did, but my strategy worked. Now, what I did is a very simple thing. First of all, I looked for a product which was very much working. Now, I do a lot of research and I found out that pop sockets, okay, the pop clips you all know, was really selling well. So what did I do? I actually went into a Chinese outlets and requested for them to make for me these pop sockets with an image. I was doing print on demand stuff. So I started telling them, please do for me like softball images and stuff like that. And this is what I was doing. You can see here. This is volleyball designs and all that, and we'll get back to this now. I'm very transparent. I'm actually sharing with you what I actually did, and it will be appreciated that you don't copy and you do this kind of strategy with your own products. So this is the softball, and this is what I was till 22nd of last 2 days, okay? Because I don't want to continue advertising because now it's Christmas time, and I don't want to have a misconception that people will get on Christmas. But of course I will start advertising again after Christmas, and I know I will get sales. So you can see this, guys. This is what I was advertising it, and I was advertising it for $6.99. Now, when I was sending people, the link which I was sending them to was here, so that they can see all this. Before, I was placing this product very below there, so that they can see all these products before even they get here. And then I have like all these kind of things. This product costs me 40 cents. Yeah, okay, 40 to 70 cents, depends on the order. If you order 1,000 and more, then yeah, 40 cents. So I ordered and I got this design, and I shipped this to US to my warehouse where we fulfill these items. So then I have I was advertising, and I will show you the advertisement. I use Connect Explore, okay, to get the interests, and I used to do layering, and I used to do $2 ad sets. I used to do hundreds of ad sets of $2. So that's how I was making a lot of sales, okay? So then somebody comes and buys this and sees all this interesting stuff and also adds to cart, and that way I increase my average order value. Now I want to show you my ads, how my ads were straightforward and simple. I also tried this with first $1 because I was selling it for 40. I was getting it for 40 cents, so I was trying to sell it for $1, and I was getting a lot of purchases. But I kept on increasing the price until it got to the $6.99. So you can see here, guys, okay, I'm getting a per action here $7.99, okay? So in this particular ad set, I spent $673 and I made $801. Now this is not correct, because some of the things I was not selling anything for $0.95, so this was completely not correct. This one was a mistake which happened with Facebook, and this kind of things keep on happening. I want to show you how this ad was working, and you can see this is only one campaign I am showing you. I did several campaigns. I actually did over, I believe over 1,000 ad sets. Okay, and I also increased the price to $10, $100 to see what was working the best. Well, when you are scaling, then you can do this kind of things. So let me look and show you this. And always I used to do one ad set and 3 ads. Okay, so you can see that I was getting, and then automatically, you know, the first one gets, or whatever, gets some good clicks and good purchases, and automatically the others go off. You can see this one is $2.2 and this is 0.49. So all these kind of things we used to do. Now this is when I was doing a $1 product. Let me show you the ad. So it was very simple. When and I don't want to go through a lot of this thing inside, and I want to just show you what the image used to look like. Okay, now you can do this with a lot of other designs. I just tested a few, and if you're interested, and this will work even in January and Valentine's and all that thing, it will work as long as you're sending the customer to a collection, they buy a collection, and then you have an upsell up. I use Carthook, and you can use Zipify and all that kind of applications where you are upselling. Then this strategy will work very well. Yeah, so as we wait this to open up, then I just want to jump in and show you some of the orders which I was getting. Okay, and I'm being very transparent. I'm sharing with you the product design, the product which was selling. I use custom cart for doing the upsells, like the hoodies and stuff like that. So I increased the order value. My order value was $18, and I was making an average per purchase $7. So I was doing quite well. So let's look at this. Let's look at this, guys. And nobody used to purchase one pop socket. Actually, many people purchase 10 pop sockets, 5 pop sockets, and that's the beauty of this marketing. Print on demand stuff work. As long as you think outside the box, you think something, then things will work. Now look at this, guys. For example, this is yesterday, and now I have stopped advertisement. This is all coming from free traffic. I'm not advertising for the past 3 days because I want the Christmas season to pass, and then we move on from there. See this, okay? Somebody bought volleyball, pack of 5, and then added this. So I ended up with an order of $146. So this is what we do, guys. Okay, now if you are interested in learning fully this thing, then you can let me know. You can contact me, and we will coach you to do this kind of drop shipping. If you don't want that and you want me to advertise, I do advertise for stores, and you want me to do this kind of thing for you, then also contact me and I will be able to help you. Okay, well, let's go back inside the ad so that you can see what I was doing and how the layering was happening, and that is where I was getting a lot of purchases. Okay, yeah, we'll go back here and see the preview, but at the moment let's go back to the ad set and we check out how I did this. So guys, sky is the limit. You can do a horse, you can do a cat, you can do, I sold a little bit of cat also. I like sports, so basically that's why I'm into the sports. But yeah, if you're a fan of other stuff, you know, then you can use that. You can use that. Skulls also sold a lot, okay, during especially during the Halloween. So that kind of thing, it works. Okay, you just need to focus and do something for yourself, and then you'll be happy. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I have been very transparent. Actually, I've shown you everything here, what exactly I did. Okay, now I cannot go into the details how I set up my applications and how they're working, and you know what applications I was doing. Otherwise we'll sleep here. And I'm planning soon to do a webinar on this kind of thing, so that you can get full picture. Okay, so finally the picture came here, and you can see the preview. Let me move my face away so that you can see this clearly. So this is what I was doing. The perfect stocking stuffer, limited to 10 per customer. Now when I was doing this limit 10 per customer, actually it really worked well. Okay, and then pop grip softball, limited to 10 per customer, and that's it. Now I have hidden the store. Of course I don't want you to copy my store, and then it will be a big trouble. Okay, so that's what we do. Now I want to show you how the ads and the interest targeting look like. Okay, so here's the targeting. Can you see all this softball stuff, and then layered with Alabama, because I wanted to upsell the Alabama stuff and also the softball thing. So this layering can be done easily with the use of Connect Explore. Okay, if you are interested in getting Connect Explore, then the link is in the below the video or above the video, depending where you're watching this video on, whether it is YouTube, Facebook, or it depends what you're doing. So guys, this is what e-commerce is all about. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I have been absolutely transparent with you, showing you everything, showing you my product. Okay, the other product which worked very well is volleyball. I'm revealing it to you so that you get inspiration. Do not copy. Okay, do not copy. Think outside the box. And even if you copy, I am doing a massive promotion, so you'll not be able to compete with me. So don't try to copy, because it will not work for you. You need to find your own inspiration and your own design, and test some of the things, and you will be able to succeed. Now guys, if you want me to, again I'm telling you, if you want me to do for you all this thing for your store, then I will be able to help you advertise. Okay, and help you advise you how you can go about this kind of business. See you next time.